Hello my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. I am a little bit of a hot mess because I really wasn't intending to shoot today. I was at the Nordstrom sale. This was the first day I could shop. I went to 2 locations. I was really disappointed. Hold on, quick, let me tell you why we're here. When I got home, this was in my mailbox. What the heck? If you watched my last video, you know I canceled everything, but I guess I had one still in the pipeline, so we got to go through it. But back to Nordstrom and shopping. I was super surprised at what they did not have in my stores. I went to 2 of them. I live in the suburbs of Seattle. I went to Bell Square, if you're familiar with it. It's huge. I think it might even be bigger than downtown. I don't know, it takes a lot to get me downtown these days. And I went to South Center, which is tiny. But, oh my gosh, there was so much stuff I was interested in that they did not have. So that was a bummer. Anywho, let's talk about BoxyCharm. And I think this is the July box. When I looked online, yes, everything is canceled and suspended. But let's see what we got here in this fantasy box. And in no particular order, oh my God, who thought this packaging was a good idea? All right, I like Beauty Bakery. I've gotten several of their products. Oh, wait a minute, there's some, okay. I thought literally it was like a little bag of flour here. No, it's just packaged like that. I can feel that there is what we'd expect, you know, kind of a round thing of powder in there. And it's setting powder, which is good because I'm just about out of that. Okay, well, thank you. I appreciate that one. Oh my gosh, wouldn't it just be a total kick in the pants if I love this box now that I've canceled everything? What is this? This is Mud Sky Vitamin Infused Moisture Boost Feeding, Nourishing, Firming, Reduces Dark Circles Eye Serum. That is a boatload of eye serum. That's 30 ml, 1 full ounce of eye serum. That's gonna last me a couple years. Okay, that might be good. Here is something from Boxy Beauty, B-A-S-I-E. It looks, oh, lip oil. All right, just a good lip oil. I always like that. Then from Outre, since it's got an accent aigu there, that must be a French pronunciation. This is an 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist styling aid. Is this for body? Is this for hair? Enhance body manageability, detangle frizz fighting. I almost just sprayed this on my face. Nope, it's for hair. I'm always up for trying something new on my hair. Last but not least, from Pharmacy, Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. Okay, great. What does it say this is all at? That foaming cleanser, $28. All right. Beauty Bakery, $24. Oh my goodness, this huge eye serum, $63. Well, I guess if it's going to last you a few years, why not? The 8-in-1, $30. How big is this? 4 fluid ounces. Doesn't seem like a lot for an MSRP of $30. And the lip oil, $18. Yeah, I don't totally hate this box. Go figure. All right, I know a bunch of you have joined my channel. Thank you so much. If you have not, do the YouTubey things, like it, subscribe, show a girl some love. And if you kind of like this no makeup look that I did for shopping today, and you want to see it, leave me a comment down below. Maybe I'll shoot it. Thank you so much for joining me. and have a fantastic day.